How to buy Citadel token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any new project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with this referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token they include their contract address here in their X account, as you can see here. So it's not available. I can't see if there is any exchange platform that this token available on. So as you can see, now the only way to buy this token is by copy their contract address from their X account, as you can see. So this token address is under the base network. Now what you need to do, just open your network. As you can see, for example, if you want to buy it under the Bitkit wallet, now open your Bitkit wallet, select the base as a network from here. As you can see, after that, click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. So this is our token. Just click on plus to add it to your wallet. Now what you need to do here, just go back to your wallet. Now find your token that you just added. As you can see, this is it. Click on it. Click on swap here. Switch from here. And from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC. Now make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, click on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So to see how to buy Citadel token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.